Okay, good morning everybody, and welcome to another video. So nice and early this morning, so we're going to be heading to the Griffin's Head in Papplewick once more. They're going to be doing a breakfast meet that's going to be starting roughly in about half hour or so. So we're just heading down now, of course, Reggie and myself. We're expecting there to be quite an array of vehicles, so fingers crossed, hopefully it should be a good turnout. Weather is a little bit misty, but not too bad. So yeah, hopefully it should be a really good day. Should hopefully see lots of cars, lots of action, and fingers crossed it'll be a good one. So yeah, we'll see you guys once we get there in say in about half an hour or so. Okay there, little man? Looks like people have already got here. There's a couple of nice cars. Look, Reggie, the temperature's in the right place. That's a good thing. Okay, mate. Shall we hop out?
Exactly, I like it.
Reggie. Down the car. Bang bang, bang bang. Just had to pull up. my bonnet's just popped up. You're right, the little man. There we go. Right guys, okay, so we're just pulling onto the drive. What's the lamppost? Yeah, so that was a stall. Okay. Yeah, that was the breakfast car meet. Yeah, it was a nice little turnout of vehicles. It was a bit of a shame that there wasn't more turn up, but for those that did, it was cool to see. There was some really unusual vehicles that showed up. There was a guy that had got a little Peugeot that had got an Audi engine that he said had got 308 horsepower, which was absolutely mad. There was a guy who got a really rare Mark 1 Subaru, and then there was this bloke that had got this absolutely fantastic Vaux Mini, and he was describing it to us, and the history behind it was absolutely fascinating. So yeah, there was some awesome cars there. The few that were there, it was really good, and the Capri, as ever, got a bit of attention as well, which was really cool. Speaking of attention with the Capri, Reggie is playing with the mini Capri, as you can see. You're right, little man. Okay, so first of all, I just want to have a very say a special thanks. You may just see just over here. Oh, hello, Sarah. Are you off? Asda. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. So yeah, just over to my side, just here, you'll see the Jag. Now, I want to give a quick thanks to Sarah and to Millie and Oliver for helping to bump start the Jag so that I could get the Capri out this morning. So big thanks to the three of you for assisting me with that. So thank you very much. And just a little thumbs up too. And then obviously regarding to today's meet, I want to say a big thanks, of course, to the Griffin's Head once again for allowing us to use the grounds for putting people's cars up, and of course a big thanks to everybody that did turn up with their cars today. It was, as I said earlier, it was lovely to see what few did turn up. It was really cool. So yeah, okay. Other than that then guys, it's usual things. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumb it down. Any comments you want to put forward, and as ever, if you want to subscribe to my channel, then just hit the subscribe button at the end of the video. And Reggie's giving it some thumbs up, hopefully. He's an adorable little boy. Okay, it's enough of me waffling on. That's about it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves as ever, and I shall see you very, very soon. From me and Reggie, see you later. Bye-bye. Thumbs up, little man.